Now, children, today we are going to start with chapter number 14, that is the beginning of the struggle. So, let's study about the British of the Indian National Congress. You have to recognize and label these pictures, right? So, the Indians were suppressed by Britishers. जो Indians थे, ये किससे suppressed हुए थे? Britishers से. They did not even have any time why they become slaves. So the Indians were now not keen to get their freedom back from the foreigners. During this period, people lived who thought about their betterment of the people. So big names during other times were Raja Ram Mohan Roy, right? Narayan Guru, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. And we have some scholars who studies more carefully and their society and culture. So they realized that it contained things which could be used even in changing times. Indian trader wished to set up their own factories, and they too realized that जो freedom है country का, it was first and foremost. The Indians started from their association, from the institution, and they began to hold meetings and discuss the problem where they were being made to face and tried to solve. They even published newspaper to spread their feeling to each and every Indians, and doing so, they attracted the attention of the rulers toward their problem. So, the birth of the Indian National Congress, in order to draw attention of British Raj toward their problem, Indian National Congress was set up in the year. In 1885, किसने करी थी? AO Hume ने. Aim क्या था? Its aim was to INC were very limited and it was start. They wanted the British to take heed of their demands. They pleaded government कि आप employ करो as much as possible in its administration. Congress session was held. सबसे पहला जो हुआ था वो मुंबई फॉर्मली बॉम्बे में हुआ था, राइट. डिमांड ऑफ द इंडियंस वर अलाउड टू मैनेज देयर ओन अफेयर्स, ऑलवेज रिमेन कंस्टेंट. सो डिमांड थी, दे वर वेरी मॉडरेट. ठीक है, वो चाहते थे कि लोगों को बिलीव करा जाए. जस्ट हम्बल डिमांड टू बियर नो फूट अगेंस्ट द stubborn British Raj. So they believe that only strong action could make the British officer understand the problem of Indian and held strong opinion. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, VOC Pillai, some prominent Congress leader, W.C. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Babruddin Tayyab and G. Subramanya Iyer. ये कुछ important leaders थे, prominent Congress leaders थे, right? बाल गंगा तिलक, he was broadly faced the British. उसने कहा कि उन्होंने क्या कहा था? Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. So इन्होंने एक पेपर भी लेके आए केसी, जिसमें रिपीटेड क्या हुआ था? क्रिटिसिज्म हुआ था, जिससे क्या हुआ? इम्प्रिजनमेंट हो गया, उनको जेल में डाल दिया गया. डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी, ठीक है. INC slowly become a strong organization and India started to have faith. They worried the British. They took all possible measures कि वो इस मूवमेंट को सप्रेस करना चाहते थे. एंड फाइनली ही थॉट ऑफ डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी. इसका एम क्या था? टू मेक इंडियंस फाइट अमंग देमसेल्व्स सो दे कुड इजीली रूल. दे प्लान टू डिवाइड बंगाल इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. ठीक है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पर्पस के लिए वो चाहते थे बंगाल को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दें. दे वांटेड टू डिवाइड हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम्स. द इंडियन अंडरस्टूड द मोटिव ऑफ द ब्रिटिश एट विच द होल कंट्री प्रोटेस्टेड स्टॉर्म्ड. द इंडियंस वर had more in store against the British and mischievous ideas. A movement known as Swadeshi movement got started, and it started to oppose division of Bengal. Under this, Indian would boycott what? Foreign goods. British cloth was burned in several places. People were persuaded not to buy British clothes. और जो student थे Bengal के, they took in this movement very strong. So at this time, severe actions was taken against them by the British war. The women folk of India, right? They took active part in Swadeshi movement. They sold their jewelries to open up shops where only Swadeshi goods were sold. They took out large possession, right? Now the whole country was awakened by this movement and the British has trouble facing the determined Indians. The British had to accept what? Defeat and abolish the partition of Bengal in 1911. Next is revolutionaries. So the time was right and the British were feeling weak at this point. They found it very difficult to face the Indians. The Swadeshi movement was very strong one and it was the time that some people thought of striking the iron while it was hot. एक बॉय था जिनका नाम था खुदीराम बोस, right? He was a famous revolutionary. He was just 15 years old when the British government handed. In this way, जो cruelty है British की, it's kept increasing and some Indians even left the countries to wage war. ठीक है, Madam Kama went to Geneva and published paper Vande Mataram. Raja Mahendra Pratap and Mulana Barkuthala, he went to Kabul and lived there to guide the movement against the British. From there, एक नरेंद्र नाथ चट्टोपाध्याय थे, इन्होंने एक एसोसिएशन फॉर्म करा, राइट, इन बर्लिन. उनका एम क्या था, वही वो फीलिंग लाना चाहते थे इंडिया के लिए लोगों को. एंड द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट कुड सी डेंजर ऑफ द रूल, सो दे पीस द इंडियंस. दे हैव अलाउड some Indians who were elected by the people to join the government, but still, main objectives in mind, they kept the divide and rule policy in mind and made religion on the basis of electing Indian representatives. Right? So meanwhile, what happened? World War first broke out in the year 1940, and India has the British at the time of trouble. They held the British with the thought and hope that they would be granted freedom. But British, during this period, strengthened their hold of India and they made laws to maintain peace. And while they were being applied very cruelly on Indian population, it was during this period that a lawyer who had gone to African returned to India and for the next 30 years had led a non-violent struggle against the British. He succeeded in getting freedom for his country in his own way. And can you guess the name of this great man? We will read about this in the next. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.